The total body mobility exercise that I'm about to show you is going to challenge your mobility, your stability, your strength, your balance, and will also provide a bit of a stretch throughout your hamstrings and your hip flexors. So for equipment, you're going to need a mobility stick or a piece of PVC pipe. Broomstick could work for this as well. To hold it, you can either hold it like this, with your shoulder blades pinched back together and your forearms next to your ribs, or you can hold it out like this. I'm going to be running you through a few different exercises, so you may find that you want to actually alternate between how you're holding it. So what we're going to start off with is just a simple tall kneeling position, and then you're going to bring one knee up, bring the foot back underneath, bring the other knee up, and bring it underneath. You want to try not to kick out to the side too much. Try to keep your foot underneath your hips the best that you can. So do about 4 or 5 of these per side. And then what we'll do is we're going to progress into a standing. So we'll come back down. So right now I'm leading with my right leg, standing up, and I'm leading with my right leg going down. Now I'm going to lead with my left leg, standing up, and lead with my left leg going down. The purpose of the mobility stick is to counteract how we round forward all day. So it helps keep your back in a nice, straight, and extended position. So now to move on from this, when we're in the standing position, bring one heel out in front of you, point your toes up, slightly bend the back leg, and we're just going to simply practice a hip hinge and get a hamstring stretch in. So toes up, hinge forward, kind of stick your butt out a little bit so your pelvis is tilted forward, hinge down till you feel a stretch in the hamstrings. And you can do this as many times as you like. Now we'll come back down to the floor, and we're going to add in a hip flexor stretch with a rotation. So bring one knee forward, and we'll just start off just coming in and out of the hip flexor stretch, breathing naturally. And now what we'll do is we're going to rotate towards the forward leg and then lean backwards. Come back, rotate back to starting, bring your foot underneath your hips, and come forward with the other one. And we'll just come in and out of this a few times just to get acclimated to the movement. And now while we're in the stretch, we'll rotate towards the forward leg and then lean to the side. Good. Now we'll make this a little bit more active. Feel the stretch, rotate as far as you comfortably can, don't go into pain. You probably won't get a very big rotation holding the stick like this, but it does feel really good. And lean back. And there you go. If doing that whole series was too challenging for you, just pick and choose from what you like in that sequence and perform as many reps as you desire. Thank you for watching.